Welcome back, everybody. This video is going to be about the family of C chords that you'll need to know how to play for many songs as a beginning guitar player. Today I'm going to teach you 3 kinds of C chords that you're going to find over and over again as you go through your guitar journey. Today we're going to learn how to play the C chord, the C7, and the C major 7. Okay, so grab your guitar and let's get to work. Our first chord is the C chord. Now, a C chord is known by different names. It's known by just a plain old C chord. It's also called a C major chord, an open C chord, or a cowboy C chord. And it is played like such. You're going to take your first finger, first fret, or your index finger, first fret on the B string, your middle finger on the second fret on the D string, and your ring finger on the third fret on the A string. And we're going to strum starting on the A string. So we're not going to play this bottom string here, just the others. Okay? Sorry, I don't have 2 cameras. I'm not that fancy. So this is called the C chord. So now you can strumming it. You can also arpeggiate it. Arpeggiate means to play each string separately. Okay, and that is the C chord. All right. The next C that you're going to have to learn how to play is going to be called the C7 chord. Now, the C7 chord sounds bluesy. Okay, and let me show you how to play that. Again, you're just going to start with your C fingering, and then you're going to add one more finger. You're going to add your pinky on the 3rd fret on that G string right here. And when you play it, it sounds like this. Hear that bluesy kind of, that's the C7. A lot of times it'll resolve to the F chord, but that's a different video. So we have C, and then C7. Okay, a lot of times that's also like the last chord of a song. Okay, that is the C7. Now to our final chord, it's the C major 7. Now the C major 7 chord it sounds very jazzy, and I'll show you how to play that. Again, start with your regular C chord, and then just lift your index finger. Hear that? It sounds very light, very That's a major 7 chord. Okay, if you're familiar with the band America, they lived off of off of the major 7 chords. And that usually is, again, you'll hear that again as a last chord of a song. It has this very cool sounding, very cool, very jazzy sound. That's the C major 7. And again, I am strumming again from the A string. I haven't touched the E string yet, just those 5 strings there. So now you know how to play the C, C7, C major 7, C7, C major 7, So if you know those 3 C chords, you're going to be able to play a lot of songs. So now you know those 3. Now, as a bonus, I'm going to show you another C chord, and I call it the finger picking C. Okay, it is a regular C chord. We're going to move our ring finger to the 3rd fret on the bottom E string. That's called a G, and then replace it with your pinky. So you have this here. And I'm strumming all 6 strings at the same time. Technically, this is a C chord with a G in the bass. Okay? Once you learn to finger pick, instead of using a pick, just use your fingers, like so, and you want to have that country / folk sound, you play this chord here, and you get this sound. Because you get that 1/5 in the bass. And the most famous song that uses this is I am just a poor boy with my story seldom told. That's Simon and Garfunkel song. Okay. So I call it the finger picking C because it's a very cool tool to use when you're finger picking. Of course, you could also use your pick and do it as well. Okay, so let's recap. C, cowboy C, C major, open C, C7, the bluesy sound in C, and the C major 7, and that finger picking C with a C with the G in the bass. Great. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. I've got some other beginning guitar videos coming up in the near future, and you don't want to miss out on that. And if you have any questions, any comments, please put them below. And I will see you, well, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.